Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic Sportive 1.6 Cdti factory-fitted crew cab No Vat. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 204,923. MOT, the 22nd of October 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash. Start and drive brilliantly. Very well maintained. Genuine factory fitting crew cab grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, roof rack.